Hello everyone. Welcome to Life Hacks Daily, the channel where we share the simplest and most useful tips for everyday life. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new tips we share every day. Today, we're tackling a common household challenge: how to keep our clothes smelling wonderfully fresh and looking perfectly clean, wash after wash. It's frustrating when laundry doesn't quite hit the mark, isn't it? But don't worry, I'm here to share 5 super easy tips that will transform your laundry routine. Think of me as your friend, sharing secrets for a happier, fresher home. Let's dive in. This might seem obvious, but it's a mistake many of us make. Stuffing too many clothes into the machine prevents them from moving freely, meaning detergent can't circulate properly. This leaves clothes less clean and often still smelling a bit stale. Give your clothes space to tumble and get thoroughly washed. A good rule of thumb is to fill the drum about 3/4 full. This ensures every item gets the attention it deserves. More detergent doesn't always mean cleaner clothes. In fact, it can do the opposite. Too much detergent creates excessive suds that trap dirt and can leave a residue on your clothes. This residue can actually make them feel stiff and attract more dirt over time. On the other hand, too little detergent won't effectively clean. Always check the detergent packaging for recommended amounts based on your load size and water hardness. Precision is key for truly clean laundry. Your washing machine works hard, but it can accumulate detergent residue, fabric softener, and even mold over time. This buildup can transfer unpleasant odors back onto your clean clothes. It's a hidden culprit for musty smells. Run an empty hot cycle with a cup of white vinegar or a specialized washing machine cleaner once a month. This simple step keeps your machine sparkling and your clothes smelling fresh. Leaving wet clothes in the washing machine for too long is a surefire way to invite mildew and that dreaded musty smell. As soon as the wash cycle finishes, transfer your clothes to the dryer or hang them up immediately. Ensure clothes are completely dry before folding and putting them away. Dampness encourages bacterial growth, leading to unpleasant odors and even damage to fabrics. Proper drying is crucial for lasting freshness. For an extra boost of fragrance, consider adding a scent booster directly to the wash drum. These products are designed to infuse your clothes with long-lasting freshness. They can make a big difference. Alternatively, for a natural option, add half a cup of white vinegar to the fabric softener dispenser. Don't worry, the vinegar smell disappears during the rinse cycle, leaving clothes soft and odor-free. There you have it, 5 simple yet powerful tips to ensure your laundry always comes out smelling amazing and feeling wonderfully clean. Incorporating these habits into your routine will make a noticeable difference. Give them a try and enjoy the fresh, clean scent throughout your home. Happy washing, everyone!